Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Masters in Dental Surgery. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we are going to tell you about the All-On-4 dental implant technique. The All-On-4 dental implant technique is a procedure that involves placing 4 dental implants to support a full arch of replacement teeth. It's often used as a solution for individuals who have lost most or all of their teeth. The implant provides stability and support for the prosthetic teeth, offering a more permanent and functional solution compared to traditional denture. This technique can improve chewing ability, speech, and overall oral health. If you are considering this procedure, it's important to consult with a qualified dentist or oral surgeon to determine if it's the right option for you. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for next.